meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. I'm so excited. It is the new year and we're going to be unboxing the Witch's Moon box for this new year. Be sure to check them out down below. I have them linked so you guys can go ahead and check them out. They always have such amazing boxes, so I can't wait to see what they have for this month. Ooh, there's already such neat stuff in here. So let's see, guys, what the theme is. Whispers of the Oak is the theme for this month. It says, as the days start to become longer and the promise of new life is reintroduced, we remind ourselves of the sacred place in which we stand. We reconnect to our path of growth with the spirit of resolution. We focus on absorbing new information and setting goals that exceed our experiences. We celebrate the blessings that are and the blessings that are yet to come as the month of light greets us again. In this very special limited collection, we take guidance from the whispers of the oak while we introduce new intentions into our surroundings. May these months ahead bring light and favor to our path. That's beautiful. And look, it's bright, guys. I'm happy. It's still winter, but you know, it's getting brighter. Alright, guys, so it looks like I have a tarot card too. I cannot wait to read this one later. So we have a spell card, guys, and we have a Book of Shadows artwork about the storm moon in the upcoming month of February. The artwork's really beautiful. So there's that one. And then, of course, because this theme is the spirit of the oak tree, we have the Oak Book of Shadows artwork. And I love how they're showing that there's different types of oak. Like, I guess there's a red oak, scarlet, bur oak, hill oak, black oak. I thought there was only one type of oak tree, so that's so neat. And oh yeah, guys, the good stuff is in here. And they always package it so good. So we have a New Beginnings Sacred Salt for our moon baths, our cleansing baths. So those are always amazing. I wonder what it smells like. Let's see. Ooh, it smells good, and there's some oak leaves in there, guys. That is so awesome. And there's something big in here. Is this a book? Or is this a little plaque? Let's see. Ooh. What is this? Is this the Green Man? Because it's the perfect time, you know, with the return of the sun and spring coming. Oh my god. This is really nice, guys. It matches all of the witches' moons, like goddess statue and deities and like ritual tools. They always do this pretty brass color. Like, what? I really like this depiction of him. They've done ones in the past, but this one is really cool. So thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for this Green Man plaque. I'm super excited. Let's see what it says about him. In my condensed version, I feel like he's kind of like Mother Earth, but the masculine version. So it says, this wonderful winter oak Green Man plaque has been made of cold cast resin and hand painted by skilled artisans, covered with flourishing leaves and berries. This representation of the Green Man is a great addition to your Yule and symbolic altar. The Green Man has been represented in ancient rituals and mythology dating back thousands of years, spanning a variety of cultures, and still maintains the recognizable leafy green face to this day. Among the many meanings and information that has been published about the lore of the Green Man, there is one recurring truth. The Green Man represents an innate connection with the seasonal cycle of each year, resonating with deep wisdom of continual death and rebirth. It is within these teachings that we find new hope and guidance, knowing that our lives are not meant to be lived stagnantly, but brimming with new energies and renewed inspiration. The Green Man becomes alive with the coming of spring, watching over the growing nature and sprouting leaves, guarding over the forest until the winter captures him once again. Even though the cold winter months, the spirit of the Green Man is strongly felt, full of life and beautiful meaning. The representation of both man and nature, seamlessly combined, resonates so innately with our practice and rituals. Both of these qualities rely on one another for survival and growth. And there is so much more information in here about him, guys, that I'll have in the end for us to read. And this is just so cool. I love this and cannot wait to find a place for him. That is really cool. I'm going to put him right here. And it looks like we also have some grapeseed herb. We have some juniper berry, which is from the cedar tree, so that is so cool. Or the juniper tree, just another word for cedar. So got some of those for magic. We got the Mystic Forest Ritual Incense Stick, so I'm so happy. I love their incense. Ooh, this smells good, but it's more of a masculine scent. This smells like the Green Man. It's more like Gaia, but on the masculine side. That is so funny. It smells really good. And it also says white oak, so we got some white oak bark, guys. I can't wait to do a little magic today. And of course, we're getting a beeswax spell candle, and the color has to be green because you already know the Green Man, and they're talking about the whispers of the oak for the theme. So connecting with the oak tree and all that energy. So this thing is so hard to open when there's tape on it. Oh my gosh. So this is the green beeswax spell candle, guys. They did a neon green, and these burn so clean and seamlessly, so I love these. They're always so amazing. And it looks like we also have a little green crystal in here, guys. I wonder if this is peridot. Let's see. We got a little green crystal in here. Ooh, this is pretty. It looks like a green beryl crystal, actually, so it might not be peridot. And we got this ritual body oil. This one is embolic, and the artwork is so pretty on there. Let's see how this smells. It smells good, and then it has a little hint of earth into it, so it's definitely more ritual use, but you gotta use it for your magic, right? And this looks like it is I guess this is a tourmaline stone, guys. So this is green tourmaline. It says this wonderful stone has been included within this collection to bring strength, healing, and growth into your environment. This unique stone strengthens the bond that we create with the natural world around us. Carry this beautiful stone with you or place upon your altar. So I'm so happy to have these tools to work with the upcoming season, guys, and embolic and spring. Even though it's still winter, there's a couple more months of it. I'm super excited and ready for the warmth and new energy. So thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for this amazing subscription box. Be sure to check them out down below, guys. I'll have them linked in the description and the comment section. Let them know that I sent you. They have different neat magical subscription boxes and a moon market where you can get all of your magical tools. And like always, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you're always notified for future content. And by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx and her daughter Goddess Hecate, may you always be blessed and rejuvenated in their loving embrace. And so it is. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.